Allah Almighty always helps the people who help others without any return or cause, because it is stated very much that helping hand is always a good hand. So today I am going to narrate a story about the friendship between an ant and a dove who help each other in the hour of need. So let's narrate it and let's see what are you going to learn from it. On a hot summer day, a thirsty ant was looking for water to drink. She searched for water and finally reached a river. She climbed up on a stone to drink the water. She slipped and fell into the river.
Help! Help! Please someone help me!
A dove was sitting in a tree nearby. She saw the ant falling into the river.
Help! Help! Please someone help me! Help! Help!
The dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it near the ant. The ant climbed up onto the leaf. Soon, the leaf moved slowly and reached the bank of the river. The ant jumped out on the dry ground. She thanked the dove. They became friends.
Thanks! You saved my life. Now we are friends.
The next day, a bird catcher came there. He planned to trap the dove with his net. She was sitting in the tree. The ant saw him and thought about what she could do to help the dove.
Oh no! Hunter is going to catching her. How can I help her?
The ant quickly bit him on the foot. The bird catcher screamed in pain and dropped his net. The dove woke up, saw him and flew away. The dove thanked the ant for saving her life.
Moral of the story: do good and good will come to you.